First, add or pour water into the pot. Second, turn on the stove. Third, put 2 pots of noodles into a pot of water. Fourth, break 4 eggs into a bowl.
Wait. Who was that?
Put the instant noodle seasoning, salt, and masoke into a bowl. They mix well. 6. Remove the noodles if it is cooked dry. 7. Add the noodles to the beaten egg. Beat until smooth. 8. Take a frying pan and pour enough oil. 9. Fry the noodles and eggs in a pan until it's turned brown. When both sides of the omelette are cooked brown, turn the omelette. 10. Take out the omelette from the frying pan and dry. Finally, omelette noodles ready to serve. Thank you. Bye.